Okay, Mike here. I just posted this article about what's happening in gold. Scroll below to read it. Got some charts in here, but I want to add one thing in this video, and that is that inside the gold market, if you look at the Commitment of Futures report, which is available every Friday on the website goldseek.com, and you can go to, if you just do a Google search, you can get it at 3:30 every Friday from the CBOT. But according to the latest report, there is a huge purchase of gold contracts in the week ending Tuesday. The report comes out Friday and uses the data up to the previous Tuesday, the 7 days closing that Tuesday. And they covered out 6,900 short contracts. So that's a big shift of buying activity on the part of commercial traders who use gold contracts to typically hedge their operations. Now, let me show you why this is really noteworthy. Okay, this is a chart from the website timingcharts.com, and the blue line shows you the size of their short or long position by the commercial traders. They're almost always net short. So the farther down the blue line, the more short they are. So you can see that when they're not very short, which is where they are at the moment, with a net short position of 54,000 contracts, there have been important bottoms in gold. So last year you can see, or in 2013, here was a bottom, here was a bottom, and last November they bottomed. So now we bottomed again, it looks like, with the reduced net short position of 56,000 contracts. Now, if you go all the way back to 2011, they were net short 287,000 contracts near the top of 2011, and then in the top of 2012, they were net short about 247,000 contracts, 5 times essentially the short position they have now. So this is a bullish thing for gold, and we'll just have to see how this next rally plays out and how high it's going to take us. But those calling for gold drops or crashes down below 1100 and this and that, last week's action shows that these people are seriously mistaken, and anyone short gold needs to cover their positions. If you want to make money, you need to be buying. That's no doubt about that. So anyway, that's what I wanted to add, and scroll down to read more of my thoughts and where gold is going. And if you're new to my work and to this website, subscribe to my free email list and get all my future updates on gold and the stock market and everything else. All you got to do is click here and just opt in, and I'll see you on the other side.